So it's time to head south and head home. It's been a great trip, but it's coming to an end here. And as I mentioned before in my previous videos, the southern western part of New York, there's not too much going on, and I hit the highway and headed right into central Pennsylvania. So this is Route 414, and what a pleasant surprise this one was. On the map it looks nice with the curves and the terrain based on what I could see on the internet, and I went to go check it out, and yeah, a really scenic route. Barely anybody on it, cool places to stop. If you're in the area or driving through here, it's definitely worth stopping by and doing this route if you have the time. So I was sitting here eating my M&Ms and Mountain Dew. I noticed an old tree that fell down and wanted to show you guys. So there's a tree that fell down along the bank, and yeah, I basically said not today, and it grew a tree out of the trunk of it. There's one there, then there's another one that goes all the way up there. So it's been doing that for a while. I don't know if I've ever seen that in person, but super cool though. It's amazing what you find when you look around a little bit, but yeah, pretty neat. If you look up Richwood, West Virginia, that's basically the center of the circle here, and all these roads are really nice, no traffic, and pretty scenic for the most part. So I'm definitely going to come back here and explore a little bit more when I have time. This is the end of day 9. I found myself a nice campsite right on the river, and the campgrounds had nice vintage campers still in use. And for day 10, I wasn't too far from home, so I just hightailed it right home. So there was nothing fancy as far as me filming anything. But I hope you guys enjoyed the trip. I know I did. Until next time, thanks for following me along.